Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Hello, I'm Minnie Monster. Today, I want to talk about the word can. We will spell the word can, C-A-N. Let me show you with my monster pen. C-A-N. Can. When we write the word can, we have words that go with the word can. Words that love the word can are doing words like dance, run, jump, walk, write, and swim. There are lots of words that are doing words. They always go with the word can. And when we put those words together, we can make a sentence. I can run. Then we put a full stop at the end. I can dance. I can swim. When we use these words to talk about somebody else, we can say, my friend can write. My friend can draw. Or we can say, my monster can breathe fire. My monster can do my homework. Yay! I wish I can come and help you do your homework using the word can. C-A-N, can. Goodbye.
Follow us on Instagram.